How to delete Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can delete your Discord account, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. So if you'd like to basically go ahead and then delete your Discord account, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is just go ahead and first of all open up your browser and go to discord.com, or you can also make sure to open the Discord app instead. Once you go to discord.com, what you basically want to do is you want to make sure to just go to this little option over here, which is this gear icon, which is the user settings. When you come to user settings, scroll down to the bottom, you'll find this option called disabling your account, means you can recover it at any time. So now all you have to do is just click the option called disable account. Once you click on disable account, you'll get disabled. Now if you want to delete account, you can click on delete account, and then you should be able to go ahead and then delete the account here. This way you'll be able to delete your Discord account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.